segment as we keep a close track of the Axiom 4 space mission. It seems to be postponed again. That is the news we are receiving at the very top of this hour. Liquid oxygen leak delays the Axiom 4 launch. Liquid O2 leak during fire booster inspection seems to have been reported. The new date for the Axiom 4 launch is to be announced. It has not yet been declared. Remember, there was already a delay in the very launch because of unfavorable weather conditions that had been announced by the team. But right now, we are learning of another challenge on the technical side this time, where we see a liquid O2 leak during fire booster inspections. We will in fact speak to an expert from this very field to understand what exactly was the technical glitch. But before that, let me quickly cut across to Akshita Nandgopal, who's joining us live from Florida at this point. Akshita, well, I wouldn't say a very good morning to you. It is quite late there, but do bring us the latest details at this point as to what exactly is happening, since we learned there is another postponement in the launch of Axiom 4.
That's right, Shreya. Good morning to you, to all of our viewers in India. It's about 9:30 in the night here, and a bit of disappointing news. I'm sure for every Indian watching this, it is a bit disappointing that there's been a delay. But look, better safe than sorry. All possible preventive steps being taken here because this is a manned mission. Right up until this point, the only factor that SpaceX was talking about is weather. We did hear of a liquid oxygen leak, about issues also in the thrust vector, but all of that was fixed, was the messaging we got much before a decision was taken on delaying the mission. This was back on June 10th. So we assumed that they're technically completely sound, that it was only weather that was the deciding factor. But now in those last few preparatory steps in which, you see all the boosters being checked, those are the final rounds of checks that are usually conducted. In that, once again, a liquid oxygen leak has been detected. This is essentially in the rocket, in the Falcon 9 rocket. So they're not taking any chances, which is why it's been pushed. If you're going to ask me when we're going to be seeing the launch take place, look, it's anyone's guess right now. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I've spoken to representatives of Axiom, which is a private space company that's been coordinating this entire mission. At this point, they're saying the final call is with SpaceX. We'll have to wait and see when they're able to give the go-ahead. And considering that there's no date, and because now it's a technical issue, I think we are going to be seeing a delay of a couple of days. Interestingly, while we're seeing a decision being taken based on multiple factors, some within our control, some not really, because things like weather, there's no one can really say what's going to happen next. But even on the weather front, if you're wondering what's with all of this uncertainty, let me just highlight that on June 10th there was another launch. Satellites, Starlink satellites were launched, and that happened successfully. Because this is a manned mission, they're leaving nothing to chance, as should be the case. So even if there's that picture perfect condition isn't provided, they're calling off the mission. But right now, because this is a technical issue of a liquid oxygen leak, they have to ensure utmost care, and that's why they've called off the launch for tomorrow morning for me, and of course this evening for India. But essentially we were ready. It's 9:30 here right now in the night. In another 1 hour I was expected there at the Kennedy Space Center, because we were going to be taken in buses to a location where the crew handover was going to happen in just about 3 hours from now. That was how close we were to actually seeing the launch happening and all of the protocols kicking in. So it is essentially the end moment that this delay, this postponement has been announced. But like I said, expected in these kind of space missions. Even 45 seconds to count on, there are possibilities of the mission being called off, because like I said, there's zero room for error here, Shreya.